Welcome to Wheelhouse's Guide to User Management. This guide demonstrates how to add users, assign login credentials, and manage user access within your organization. Let's get started by adding a user. First, sign in with an account that has user administration privileges. Navigate to Personnel in the left navigation menu. From here, choose the appropriate category for your new user. Then click one of the plus buttons to add a new user. Enter the user's first name, last name, and email. For production employees who don't require system access, you can use a placeholder email. Once you've entered these details, click Save to add the employee. For production employees who only need to clock time, you can either set a PIN number, create a scannable badge, or both. These options don't require any additional setup. To create a badge, simply select the lightning bolt icon action menu and select QR code. You can right-click the QR code image for options to download. For PIN access, you can optionally set a PIN number. Either of these options will allow the employee to clock time in production. If the employee needs system access to Wheelhouse, you'll need administrator privileges to set up their login. Add a public name and select a profile ID from the drop-down menu. These fields are required for system access. For security, leave the password field blank. This allows the employee to set their own password through the password reset process. Once you've added these details, save the employee record and reload the page. You may notice a new icon has appeared in the toolbar. This action allows administrators to send a password reset email to the employee, which can be used for setting a password for the first time or resetting a password for an existing employee. Since we didn't set a password initially, let's send a password reset to their email so they can set their own password and sign in for the first time. This completes the user creation process. Now, let's cover how to remove a user from Wheelhouse. This process involves revoking a user's access rather than deleting their account entirely. Revocation can be set to take effect immediately or scheduled for a future date. To do this, look under the Details section and find the Disable On-Date Calendar option. Set this to a past date for immediate termination or to a future date to schedule the termination. And save. This concludes our guide to managing users in Wheelhouse. For more Wheelhouse tips and guides, visit our help docs at support.wheelhousemfg.com. Thank you for watching.